In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a campaign in Brevo. Whether you're dusting off an old favorite or correcting a recent send, Brevo makes it super simple to send your campaigns again. Follow along with me as we go through the steps to do this efficiently and effectively. First, let's begin by opening your web browser of choice. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whichever you prefer. Type in Brevo's website address in the URL bar and hit enter. This is the starting point for all your email campaign management tasks. Once the site has loaded, go ahead and log in to your Brevo account. You'll need your username and password handy. If you're not already logged in, you'll find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Just enter your credentials and you'll be good to go. Now that you're in, let's navigate to the Campaigns section. Hover over the Campaigns tab in the main menu, then click on Email, and from the drop-down list, select Sent Campaigns. This is where you'll find all the email campaigns you've previously sent from your account. Take a moment to locate the specific campaign you want to resend. Once you've identified it, look for a button labeled More Action next to the campaign name. Click on it, and you'll see an option to duplicate. Select Duplicate to create an exact copy of your original email campaign. Duplication allows you to make necessary changes without altering the original message. Next, it's time to make any edits to your campaign. You might want to modify the campaign content, perhaps update the subject line, or adjust the sender details. This is your opportunity to tweak anything that might be out of date or require a bit of freshening up before you resend it. Now let's set up your recipients. In the To section, you'll need to select the same list of recipients you used in the original campaign. This ensures that your message reaches the same audience as before, which could be crucial if your message contained time-sensitive information or if you're following up on a previous message. Once everything looks good to go, all that's left is to click the Send button. Give it another review to ensure all details are perfect, because once you hit Send, the email will be on its way to your chosen recipients. And there you have it. Resending a campaign in Brevo is as simple as that. Remember, this feature can be a real lifesaver if you need to reach out to your customer base again with minimal hassle. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.